everyone, I'm Mariah.
I'm Jaden.
And welcome back to Super Sporadic. If you are new here, welcome to our channel.
Like dreams do come true.
Today, we're going to be
talking about how Colorado was.
Yes, and how we went to 3 different places that you can visit. The first place that we visited was
the Great Sand Dunes.
Oh wait, no, that wasn't the first place we visited.
Oh, Garden of the Gods.
The first place we went to was Garden of the Gods. Second place we went to was the Great Sand Dunes. Look at my legs.
Mom.
Look at my legs. I can't get out of here. I'm stuck for life.
Look at our house.
I'm stuck for days. If you want to be stuck, just go down and you're going to get stuck. You're stuck for life. Get down here. Oh my God, the more you do it, the more you get stuck. You're stuck for life. You can't get out. Place we went to before we left was
Colorado Gators.
Hey, you see our shirts? Yeah.
Ouch.
Listen, you look how brave I was. Shorty was holding a whole crocodile in that joint. You feel me?
And I was touching it.
Quiet.
You're welcome to pet and touch the
Oh, you want to pet the tortoises, Cheyenne? Go ahead, go pet them. How you doing?
Tortoises are cool. Hey, buddies. I used to have one.
You want to pet it? Yeah, cool is that here? I'm gonna pet it too.
It follows me. Nah.
Jay, you want to touch him?
I'm scared.
Go touch him.
You can tell I'm scared. I'm already scared.
All right, well, come on. I'll walk with you. Come on. Just touch it.
You first. You touch it first.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Hang on. I don't know what his problem is. He's gonna quit.
Look, Jay. Look.
This guy's name is Ox.
His name is Ox.
Yep.
Go ahead and touch him.
You go ahead and touch him, bud.
He's scared.
See? I didn't know I could touch one.
You were super brave today, but
Yes,
you
you
did
were.
great.
I can groove it. Yeah, I got it.
I was scared myself. I didn't even know what to say. Bearded dragon?
Oh, a bearded dragon. They can sometimes shoot blood out their eyes.
You what? No.
No,
It's
wrong one.
yeah, this is a different type of lizard. But it looks the same though. It looks
Yeah.
similar.
You
to
see
it.
him?
Yeah. Wait, which one? Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I thought, is that blue one?
Wow. It's so
Yeah.
cute.
Big. Woo.
You showing off for us?
No.
No, he did the vibe.
Come on.
I want to show
I'm
my
recording.
dad. That's what I would do.
I'm recording them.
Mom, you not so no. On his I know what kind of fish they are.
Recorded. Don't forget the ED.
Recorded alligator was 19 feet and 2 inches long and
Wade. Don't forget the ED.
weighed
Uh-huh.
nearly 2,000 pounds. It was killed in 1890 off the coast of
Louisiana. And we're going there.
Yeah.
So, I did want to make this whole experience about doing things that you really didn't have to spend too much money on. You know what I'm saying? So we didn't have to pay to get into the Garden of the Gods. You can just walk in. The Great Sand Dunes, you do have to pay to get in because now it is a national park. And it was $20. I want to say $20, 20 or 25.
Yeah, no, 20.
$20. So if you get a national park pass, which is $80, You can get into any fucking national park in the motherfucking United States, you feel me, for the whole entire year. So that's worth it, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get one of them joints because I really do want to visit all the parks, you know what I'm saying? And for the Colorado Gators, we did have to pay $30. It was $20 for me and $10 for Jay, which isn't bad, right? You know, when you're traveling out of state and you're in an RV, you don't really have to pay too much, you know, for your living space, and you already driving, you know what I'm saying? You're paying for his gas, and $30, you know what I'm saying? It ain't that much, you know what I'm saying? It's not that bad. We're gonna be cleaning out Zoe today. She's really trashy. You know, when you're on the road, you're constantly putting stuff in, taking stuff out, so it looks a real mess in here. So we're parked up at the laundromat right now. We are in still in San Diego, California. We'll be leaving here today though, after we get Zoe all together and get our laundry all washed up. And
where are we going after this?
We're going to visit another sand dunes. It's called Imperial Sand Dunes, and also Bombay Beach. Yeah, yo, I'm so into like that vintage junk look, and like, oh my god, I can't wait for y'all to see it. I can't wait for y'all to see Bombay Beach. Like, I'm very excited about that experience. So yeah, we're gonna get going and bring y'all with us while we wash clothes and stuff. So we'll be back soon. Yeah, I'm back here. We're gonna get it together though, okay? We gotta get our clothes out of here so we can wash them. This is what's taking up all the space. Roby, you gotta go, okay? This thing is so big, I gotta take it out the box and I gotta get it all together. So I'm gonna do that, but I really don't know when I'm gonna do it.
Where are we gonna put it?
Right, that's the...
I got an idea.
What?
Put it under the sink.
It's not gonna fit under the sink. It's not gonna fit under the sink.
How do you know? You never tried it.
But what I'm thinking is, I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. Get that damn... Alright, let's go. We gotta go get our laundry out this car. Alright, we get our laundry out, get our laundry in.
One more second, I'm gonna...
Alright, so we're gonna get our laundry out. Take it in, put it in the washing machines and stuff like that, right? Then we're gonna come back to the car and we're gonna start organizing this stuff, okay? Yeah, because it's getting crowded in here. Roby, you can't go nowhere, but the box gotta go. So once we get it out the box, it shouldn't take up that much space. We're gonna figure it out, all right? Okay?
Yeah, I'm thinking about putting it up here.
That's not gonna work. But we're gonna figure it out. I think it can sit like where those crates are. It's gonna probably be able to sit right there. And we're just gonna put those crates underneath the thing. I don't know, but we'll come back and let y'all know what we do and show y'all. Look at her. She's so
Pretty.
no. She's
Nasty.
unorganized. I'm into organization. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't always, but like I take pride in shit like this now. So we're gonna get it together and we're gonna come back and let y'all see. We're back. We're in the laundromat and we had to put our face masks on. Because in this place you have to have on face masks. And Jayden is playing with the washing machine. He about to get a beating. You want to see me beat him?
No.
You want to see me beat him? Because I'm about to. Alright, Jay, come on. We got to go get some laundry detergent and stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Work first, play later.
Okay.
Work first, play later. Not ever saying that you can't play, but you got to work first.
Right now my mom's putting in some quarters.
I just want to make sure I'm doing it right. I think it goes this way. I can never get this right, y'all. Never. But hopefully I got it right this time. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Hey, I did it. gotta keep going. $5.75. Keep going. It's gonna keep going down each time you put a quarter in. Now $5. Now $4.75. Put it in. You need more. How many quarters do you need for $1?
4.
Okay, so here's 4. So how many do you need if you need $3 more?
You got 2.
So
8.
$8. That's $2. Add 1 more. 4 more quarters.
10.
So 4 times 3 equals,
Are they dry pretty? Do they stand pretty good?
because that's what you need. 4 quarters make $1, right? So you had $3 left and 75 cents. So we talking about the dollars right now, not the cents. So you need $3 more, right? So how many quarters equal 3? So you got 4 quarters equal $1, and you need 3 groups of 4. So how many do you need? You had 8. That's $2. Now you got to add 1 more. 8. Count 4 more.
9, 10, 11, 12.
So how many quarters you need?
12.
Excellent. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 75 cents is how many quarters?
2.
2 is 50.
8. 4?
4 is $1.
3.
Yes, 3. 3 more. And that should be enough to fill up that one. I'm going to fill up the other one, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Clothes are washed and put away.
Guys,
And it's
Cody wanted to
organized
say
in
hi.
here. Cody's saying hi. And we ain't leaving this junk joint. We're gonna go across the street and get some stuff. And we're gonna eat, and then we're headed out. Target run. I've been procrastinating on getting Jayden his Nintendo Switch charger for a while, so we said when we found the Target we was gonna come and get it. And that's where we're at. Still looking. Get me the fuck out of Target because I will buy shit I don't have no business buying.
Then don't open.
Oh my God, I'm gonna just have to walk with my eyes closed. I can't walk with my eyes closed though, baby. We gotta change the plans. We were going to go to Bombay Beach and Imperial sand dunes, but we found this really cool beach. It's called Mission Bay Beach, and it's a nice setup. They got like a park for Jayden to play in. There's a bunch of people with RVs out here. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you in a second, but it's about 12:30 here and we haven't really eaten anything yet, just snacks. So I'm gonna make a little something on the stove, some eggs and put it on some toast, and we got some applesauce, and yeah, I'm gonna show you. Jayden is gonna record.
Look, I got some kettle corn.
Jayden got some popcorn, and yeah, that's what's going on over here. I'm gonna show you around, and then Jayden is going to show me cooking. All right, be back soon. So here's what it looks like. We got the beach, we got the park. Parking lot. There's Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. And some more beach over here. It's just pretty cool setup right here.
What about me?
I'm enjoying this. And there's Jaden. And here are the things that we're going to be cooking. So I'm gonna put some eggs on some toast. And we got some.
Are they going to be scrambled eggs?
We got some apple sauce. And I got some frap, because that's my favorite. And then I got waters. Jaden and I got water. We got a spatula for our eggs and our plates. And I gotta get the pot out. Alright, Jay's your
Hey. Hey everyone.
Don't be so close.
My mom's getting ready to cook. As you can see the setup right there, I'm zooming in so y'all can see the setup and I don't have to go close. Okay, well, there's a mat. There's my kettle corn. There's the pots. There's the spoons, spoon, knife, and fork. My mama's mocha latte. And her cleaning off the spatula. And we're about to get ready to cook.
Right? You getting it done? He's super busy concentrating. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see.
Let's get it.
He's showing off. He know I'm recording him.
Nothing